Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to change the layout of a slide in your Google Slide deck. So here I've got a generic slide and I want to change the layout. One way you can do that is if you double tap or right click the individual slide, you can go to Apply Layout and say, oh, well, I want it to be this kind of slide, and now it has that layout superimposed on top of it. And you can take advantage of the title box and the text box and put whatever information you need. Or you can find that same accessibility in the slide menu. Click on the slide menu, go to Apply Layout, and maybe I want 2 text boxes or 2 lists for content, whatever. So if you have a slide and depending on what you want to do with it, the layout just isn't right, you need it to be a different kind, you can just select that slide and change the layout to whatever suits you.